As you can see, we have a finished product. So the next step with a finished product, we've already done all of our cleanup, is we need to select whether we want to paint it or just let it be natural rust or clear coated or what have you. If you're going to paint it, it needs to be cleaned up with a lacquer thinner and a rag. Just, you know, be sure there's no flames around. Installation, it's ready for installation once you finished it. What most people do is they do like it rust. Painting, you either take it and have it powder coated. We have them powder coated, or we paint them here in our paint shop. Just any color you want, hammerite or a regular house exterior coating or an automobile paint, just whatever color you can get matched. Installation, there's a little more into installation after building it. Of course, the clips need welded on the end. This particular one will get feet at the bottom of the legs and will be bolted to the top of a block wall. So that's the way this one is attached.